This is the home. This is Papa Fager.
This way, I can't do it.
With my arms around my guitar, and the rain falls from the roof of the world.
What is he doing, man? What are you doing? It's great.
Nothing around, just the trees and the ground. There's a bird in a tree singing a song just for me, just for me.
Henry, where are we going, boy?
Salante.
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Get a Serenity episode.
You just be waffling sometimes. You just be...
No test flights. I'm getting out of here today.
Where we at?
We at the goat place.
Well, how's the goat place?
John Bar.
Alright. Quick little room tour.
Farewell to freedom in the Adriatic and to days of wild abandon. What is that, Shakespeare? No, it's porco. See you later.
Your friend, for both 20 euro, 10 and 10.
Oh, 10 and 10.
Hey, for me it's okay, it's stolen, it's business, for survival, for familia. I have family, I have children.
10, 10, 10, 10.
Yes, 110 million.
10, 10,
10,
yeah?
10, okay.
Okay,
I don't need
For
it.
the million, give me 10 euro for the familia. 1 million, pa caravan. Oh, sorry.
Can I see? Can I get a video of this for a friend?
I give you the price.
So, what is it?
Give me now. Hey, not fair.
Yes. Papa Fager. And before to Papa Fager, yeah, you see this seawood, another one, little bits, but many beautiful every morning I see.
Yeah, go on. What is he doing, man? What are you doing? It is crazy. Oh shit, they're actually on business. They stand on business. Come on, don't back up now, boy. Where the fuck are you going? You're standing on business.
The secret police already know you're in the country. You're followed.
I gave him the slip.
My voice is a mystery, but they always tryna diss me. Same guys tryna get in my way. Keep the same vibe, you can ruin my day. Oh, my voice is a mystery. Ride the wave of my history. I've been distant to keep my distance. Goodbye to a boring life. I like to seek, but I'm never inside. Even though my time's alright, I like to care, but I never reach fight. Swinging my ways like I never did say. And then I roll like I really get back. And you can't believe what you heard about me. It's the magic for me. They keep trying to reach me, yeah, yeah. It's the magic for me. I make them weak till they run.
So right now, Henry Edmund is acting as a mid boy.
Someone said that I wasn't acting.
No, it wasn't me. Like,
Who was it?
I swear.
No. Let's just have a look
No,
at this.
chill.
Have a little, wait, a little.
What's that there as well?
what you get? No, that's cool. Yeah. That's so cool.
We got the same fucking bag. We got the same bag.
Yeah, wait, stand up, boy. Stand up.
Yeah, unite. You should unite.
Oh, I got a little like.
You got a bubble head. You got a bubble head.
I'm smoking on it.
This guy's been Kung Fu Panda, bro.
This is actually Kung Fu Panda. Oh shit. That's a fucking fighting.
CJ, you ugly nigga. That she not eating, nigga. This nigga
He's just asserted dominance.
ugly nigga. Like that, nigga.
Oh, I know who you're talking about, but no, I'm not that big of a fan. Call up Debo for that shit.
To blaze or not to blaze, that is the question. First day of school, later ready is suspension. Shit, my principal a hater, man, cause I'm a great debater and my principal's a greater. Sorry hater, catch me later. No need to be loud and obnoxious, know that out in my pockets ain't allowed, but I watched it. Open up my mind and my chakra so my conscience could block this topic, so drop it.
Strong square, come scale with me my life.
Hey.
Daddy me, I never see my track. I listen on my jaka, listen on my name, listen on my blood, listen on my lecture, listen on my 2020.
Hey, period, we smoke it every ounce till we permanently delirious. Sorry, teachers with reefer, I can't take this serious. Yeah, I went to high school, I went to school.
We're scoring a goulash schooner here.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I went to high school.
Go on, Sean.
Yeah, I went to high school.
Went down easy, really sessionable.
Yeah, I went to high school.
It's been like, this is fucking good. That's a big shit.
I've been used to German beer.
I'm scoping lies, I vocalize just to close these rifts, these broken ties. Oh my, he's over the skies, I'm so high. Feel like having his mind don't blow my.
I might just go and break the world record. I might just go. What are you rating, Taggy?
It's the cup of cola. How many H bars out of 10?
Look at the mouth. You know it's good with the mouth looking that fucking dirty.
Wait. You gotta allow me. I gotta enjoy my food and clean up afterwards.
I'm a lie. My sale was $20.
Yeah, let me get that.
I just clipped that, so you're just. Wait, what is this? Where did you get that from?
So I paid €8.95 on the. It says it right there. I paid for it.
Alright. Receipt? You got receipt or no? Because they hand receipts out everywhere, so.
Really. No, because I'm about the environment and shit, so I went paperless this time.
Wasn't it cash only?
Email receipt. It was email receipt.
Do you have any GK?
No, because I spent all the
High school, I went to school high. Yeah, I went to high school. I went to school high. Yeah, I went to high school, but I went to school high, nigga. Yeah, I went to high school. I went to school high. Yeah, I went to high school.
They're bad.
Oh no, I need the attention, lad. I need it.
He's like, oh no, these clips, they're all fake. Fucking, what's happening right now?
Cheers unopened.
Blow when you hit the microphone, man, you gotta hear the rhymes and shots. I lost in the sauce and pasta. My green thumb touched the leafy on a cigarello. Put me in a coma for days as a sleeping weller. I was never.
He said I'm gonna dinner you later, is what he fucking
He said I'll buy you a shot and dinner you later.
He did say something along the line. He did say something along the line. Wait, do you deny that? Do you deny that allegation or not?
Why don't you lay out your plans? What are your plans?
English or Spanish? English or Spanish, bro? Why is he going silent?
Wait, English or Spanish?
Maybe you guys know what they're doing.
I went to high school. I went to school high. Yeah, I went to high school. I went to school high. Yeah, I went to high school, but I went to school high, nigga. Yeah, I went to high school. I went to school high. Yeah, I went to high school. I went to school high. Yeah, I went to high school, but I went to school high, nigga.
I got shit in there, alright? Look, yo. Assertive with this serve that keep me turbulent. Curve a chick when I see this teacher.
I just can't break down what's happened here.
Yeah.
So Lloyd's lost all the games. Fucking booty. Poopy is talking Lloyd.
Right.
If it was opposite day, but yeah, that's it.
Lunchtime when I rhyme, munch the cheese, bacon on a rolling, and my mind is out to think. But I'm in this damn seat with the teacher watching. I hear the speaker popping. I think that they have found my thriller in this locker. Now they calling up my mama and my girl outside my motherfucking class with the drama like.
Thoughts on Amsterdam so far, though? This year, because you've done it a few years.
Because I'm local at this point.
Yeah.
So I think it's pretty vibey. I think what
No, my first day here, they've shoved me up against the wall, and one guy's like tapping me down to see where my phone was. My phone was in my bum bag here. I just dropped my shoulder, fucking charged, dropped one of them and just pissed off, and they went the other way.
Really?
Yeah. And then this fucking lady, like, she had like fucking cut marks all over her neck. And she like grabbed my hand and started fucking pulling me right on this street. And I'm fucking about to go home. And she turned and looked at me walking in the room, and I'm fucking scared that she's gonna be up. Are you feeling this?
Bro, that's cooked. And we gotta cook up. Fuck me.
It's crazy. I was getting one more thing.